it. Well, try don't drink it.
And that's what is
Achote.
achote. And this is your
Masa de pasteles. I put 2. Make like a little hole. Put aceituna. I'm doing too much. You don't have to put it so much, but I love aceitunas. They're not good for me, but I love it. I love garbanzo. Some people put a raisin. I don't. And suppose you put the meat first, but I was talking. Normal people don't put too much meat, but I love it. There. Some people do different, is because they have more experience than me, but this is my second time I do pasteles. Well, they do that. They're delicious. Like this. Hold in the top. This is the second time I do pastel. This is the way I did it before, so that no mean it's the best time to do. You know, this. Some people do it so fast. There are people with expert, but I'm no expert. And there's
your insert, not the same on the.
Oh, thank you.
Okay.
Smells so good. Part. Flip it. The meat smells so good. Yeah. Oh, I don't. You know, see it? They sell it four for $25. That is
Too much.
That is insane. And it's smaller than that. You know.
And then you boil for 20 minutes?
Yeah, 20 minutes when it's single. Yeah.
20 to 30.
Depends. When it's double, if you do together, that is, I recommend it. But then take longer for cook. So how many? 2, 4, 5, 6, 7.
And if we run out of meat?
Trust me, I find meat to put it.
Oh, I thought you were going to make
I
acapulco.
can do acapulco, but we need acapulco. We need meat for acapulco, but you know what? We can't even put lunch in it. Acapulco, some people do crab meat.
Yep.
The crab meat and the
I have crab meat.
No, not this kind.
I have spam. Tulip.
Ground meat is the best for acapulco. Oh my God. And this meat don't have almost no greasy because I don't use pernil. Pernil is more tasty, but It's more fat.
Oh, okay. Let me get your string.
Oh, okay. Don't worry, I can put when I do it, the people put side with no string and then you string it.
Oh, I see.
If you want it, I can do that and then I teach you to do it. Let me do that. Make the string and then I allow you to.
Well, I don't know if I can do that. We better just stick to the plan.
Honey, you want to learn?
I drink the Presidente and cut the string. Then you do everything else.
Do you want to do it this way?
All right, I'll try tying one.
Oh no, this is not a good one for you to try. This is a pop-up. Let me do it. But
I think you better
let
tie
me
this.
do it one smaller
Okay,
for you. Okay.
let's get
Be
one
sure
more.
They're both sides of the same side. Make the hood. Put it here. Put it down. And this is in the middle. Try to tie it, flip it. I don't do pasteles. I never make pasteles. This is my second time, but I used to see when I was leader, Doña Manuela in Puerto Rico. I only held her to ¿cómo se llama? The string?
Oh, tie them.
Time.
Yeah.
But, you know, I did it so many years that watching her, you know, it's not science fiction.
Well, there you have it.
So I